Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. Today uh, we meet again, even though by online, but yeah, because of the condition, we hope this condition uh, better, yeah, better soon, so we can meet with offline in our beloved school, yeah. Actually, um, yeah, this is because of the first meeting. I need to refresh, or I want to give you spirit to pace our second semester. Yeah. Okay, now we start our lesson about global warming. I'll directly show you my slide, global warming. This one. Okay. Okay. So today we discuss about the greenhouse effect and global warming. I think this topic uh, long time ago have discussed with any peoples, yeah, all peoples, and also I have given these materials to uh, the student that have now maybe in general school or maybe in college, yeah. Okay, continue. This is a greenhouse. This is a greenhouse. Maybe we know this building in Brilliant School, or maybe in the plantation, ya, perkebunan, and also maybe in your home, your house, ya. Maybe your father or your mother like to uh, make in a plantation, yeah. So the principle of greenhouse effect analogy with this greenhouse building. Maybe some people say that greenhouse effect because of there are a lot of building using glass. No, yeah, no. But greenhouse effect is the concept when the solar radiation goes to the earth, and then some of the solar radiation absorbed, some of the solar radiation reflected, but reflected because of there is like a blanket. Yeah, this is what is that? The earth, and then because of the gases of greenhouse effect make what is that? Virtual blanket. So the hot condition in the earth cannot be spread out from the atmosphere. Ya. Jadi kalau ada solar radiation, ada sinar matahari masuk, sebagian absorb, sebagian diserap, and then uh, sebagian lagi reflected, dipantulkan, tapi yang memantul itu menabrak dengan atmosfer yang terdiri dari greenhouse gases. Ada gas greenhouse itu ya seperti CO2, akhirnya panas itu mantul. So the heat trap in the earth. Jadi kemudian panasnya itu terperangkap, tidak bisa keluar, ya, sehingga mengakibatkan global warming. Okay. So this is the greenhouse effect concept. The first, this is the sun, solar radiation. Okay, wait. I need pointer. Okay. This is the sun, and then solar radiation passes through the clear atmosphere. So the radiation of the sun goes to the earth and then pass the atmosphere. Jadi melewati atmosfer sehingga ultraviolet and danger radiation have reflected from with the atmosphere to the earth, and then some solar radiation is reflected by the earth and the atmosphere. Jadi some of the solar radiation reflected, dipantulkan itu radiasi matahari sebagian itu, ya, dipantulkan ya. Nah, most radiation is absorbed by the Earth's surface and warms it. Ya, jadi sebagian besar radiasi matahari itu diserap oleh bumi dan membuat hangat. If there is no solar radiation in Indonesia, kalau di Indonesia itu nggak ada radiasi matahari, so dangerous ya, so dangerous. Why? Because the water in the sea, the water in your bathroom frozen. Air-air itu akan menjadi beku semua. Maybe some of you have ever go abroad ya, ke luar negeri with the temperature, the room temperature minus, maybe -5, -4, -3 ya. Ada di Eropa itu yang suhunya itu sampai minus gitu. Ya. Nah, we have to say thank to Allah because of Indonesia gives given, what is that, the the flexible condition. Kita ini kondisinya ya fleksibel gitu, nggak terlalu dingin, nggak terlalu panas ya. And some of the infrared radiation passes through the atmosphere and some is absorbed and re-emitted in all directions by greenhouse gas molecules. The effect of this is to warm the Earth's surface and the lower atmosphere. Jadi sebagian ya infrared radiation, ada radiasi infrared itu setelah masuk ke bumi, ke atmosfer ya, kemudian diserap ya, sebagian diserap ya, some is absorbed and re-emitted in all direction, diabsorb habis itu di re-emitted, dipancarkan lagi in all direction, kemana-mana ya, kemana-mana by greenhouse gases molecules ya, yang memantulkan, yang merefleksikan itu adalah gas-gas greenhouse ya. The effect of this is to warm the earth surface. Jadi efek dari ini tuh untuk menghangatkan bumi. So greenhouse effect, even though have bad effect, greenhouse effect also have positive, not only negative, positive effect. Jadi greenhouse effect itu juga punya efek positifnya. What is the positive? The positive effect is make the earth warm, membuat bumi kita itu hangat. Kalau nggak ada greenhouse effect, because of Allah ya pastinya. Ya, kalau greenhouse effect-nya nggak ada, kita akan kedinginan. Kedinginannya ekstrim ya, ekstrim. It can be make the water in the earth, on the earth, frozen, bisa frozen, bisa membeku. Jadi itu ya kita perhatikan. Jadi ada yang sebagian. Jadi greenhouse effect not only have negative effect, but also positive effect. Ya, greenhouse effect itu tidak hanya negatif loh, tapi juga positif. Kalau nggak ada greenhouse, kita akan ya the part of in Indonesia, the part of Indonesia territorials, if there is no solar radiation and also there is no greenhouse effect, yeah, it causes the water on the earth, the part of Indonesia that have not solar radiation and also what is that greenhouse effect, the water will be frozen. Airnya bisa jadi membeku. Ya. Jadi kalau nggak ada greenhouse effect itu. Okay. Now we go to detail. What are greenhouse gases? Yeah. Greenhouse gases is carbon dioxide, ada karbon dioksida, and then also methane, CH4, cows and other animals decomposing garbage. Jadi metana itu bisa produksi dari kotoran sapi ya atau hewan-hewan lain. Also decomposing garbage. Garbage itu sampah, jadi decomposnya sampah, penguraian sampah. Ya. So what about the carbon dioxide? Carbon dioxide usually produced by the machine that using fuel, yeah, like a car maybe, and then maybe factory, yeah, yeah. Some of few, yeah, only few of a little of carbon dioxide produced by human, yeah, because of the inspiration. Respiration, yeah, breathing. When we breathing, the mechanics of breathing, we we need oxygen, and then we produce carbon dioxide. Yeah, but if our ecosystems in a balanced condition, it's no problem. Ya, sebenarnya nggak masalah kalau ekosistemnya itu seimbang, balance. If there are some factories, we don't forget to make trees, plant the trees, yeah. Give a plant to near the factory, so we can make it the balance, producing carbon dioxide and also need carbon dioxide, because the plant need carbon dioxide and produce oxygen. Okay. Okay, the greenhouse effect. Bad? Apakah bad? Apakah efeknya jelek? Without the greenhouse effect, the Earth would be cold as Mars. Ya. Berarti greenhouse effect itu juga ada positifnya, tapi jangan berlebihan. Ya. Positifnya apa ya? Positifnya make the Earth warm. The positive effect of greenhouse effect is make the Earth warm. Membuat bumi kita tuh hangat. And there is no greenhouse effect, even though there is solar radiation. Yeah. So the Earth would be cold as Mars. Maka bumi ini akan menjadi dingin seperti Mars. And then the second point, but too much greenhouse gas can heat up the Earth too fast. Ya. Jadi kalau greenhouse gasnya, gas dari efek rumah kaca itu terlalu banyak, CO2, carbon dioxide too much, ya. And then methane too much, ya, can heat up our Earth too fast. Jadi kepanasan meningkatkan panas ini terlalu cepat. If the Earth too fast heated, it cause rising seas. Ya, the surface of the seas is rising. Permukaan lautnya itu akan naik. Why? Because polar ice melting. Yeah. The ice at the polar of our Earth is melting. Ya, polar ice melting. Jadi esnya mencair, akhirnya masuk ke laut. So the surface of the sea is rising. And also unpredictable storms. Jadi kemudian ada badai yang tidak bisa diprediksi, ya. Because a storm, disturb the transportation, the air transportation, the plane, yeah. Maybe some of you ever using plane to move from one place to the other place. If there is a storm, it's so disturbed, yeah. Cumulonimbus, so that is so dangerous for plane or the air transportation. Okay. Now, what can we do to prevent global warming. Yeah, this is the important thing. What can we do to prevent global warming? Okay, at the first point, reduce the amount of energy we use. Reduce the amount of energy we use, like cars with better gas miles, yeah. Kemudian energy efficiency appliances. Now maybe some cars using technology of hybrids using what is that fuel and also batteries, or maybe using what is that solar cell. In Smamio there is a solar cell with power of 25,000 watt, volt ampere peak, ya. Jadi di Semami sekarang juga ada solar cell, ada pembangkit listrik tenaga surya 25.000 watt atau 25 kVA peak, ya. Jadi ketika when the sun shine or the solar radiation at the optimum condition, so the solar cell produce the electricity about 25,000 watt. Ya, jadi pada saat mataharinya maksimal bisa memproduksi listrik 25.000 watt, ya 25.000 watt atau 25,000 VA, volt ampere. Okay. Now, turning off electrical appliances when not in use. Yeah, this is make this become a habit. Turning off electrical appliances when not used. Over the examples, when you go to maybe outside of your house and then you turn off the lamp in your house. Yeah, that you turn on the television that maybe you not watch anymore, turn off. Yeah, maybe the utilization of gadget. Jadi kalau pakai gadget seperlunya, jangan lama-lama, mungkin nggak bermanfaat, akhirnya harus ngecas lagi. So we have to what is that? We have to keep using energy wisely. Ya, kita harus menggunakan energi, atau we use energy wisely. Kita menggunakan energi dengan bijak. Oke. Okay, I need your help now. I need Mas Hamam.
Yes, yes.
Mas Hamam, I need your help to read my slide, please. The second point, Mas.
What can?
No. Okay. All.
What can we do to prevent global warming? Reduce the amount of energy we use. Cars with better gas mileage. Energy efficient appliance. Turning off electrical appliances when not in use. Use source of energy that do not emit carbon dioxide. Solar, hydrogen, wind, biodiesel.
Okay. Use sources of energy that do not emit carbon dioxide, like solar, hydrogen, wind, biodiesel. You know, solar is matahari. So we can use solar for what is that? Maybe to cook, for cooking, yeah, for cooking, and then hydrogen, wine. Wine is using what is that? Paling, yeah, wine, and then biodiesel. Sources of energy that do not emit carbon dioxide, tapi nggak menghasilkan karbon dioksida. Okay, this is the Earth's atmospheric gases, nitrogen, oxygen, and then water, carbon dioxide, methane. Ya, ini adalah the classification of non-greenhouse gases and greenhouse gases. Ya, so greenhouse gases, water, carbon dioxide, methane. So we still need greenhouse effect. If there is no greenhouse effect, so the Earth would be cold as Mars. Jadi seperti Mars. Okay. Any questions? Okay, I need to repeat to discuss about what is the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect. So I need your help to read this text. Maybe Alisa, do you still join with us?
Yeah, I am.
Okay, Alisa.
I'm just anxious to.
Okay, thank you,
Your mic.
Alisa. Thank you,
Okay.
Alisa. Alisa, I need your help to read this slide.
Oh yeah.
Okay, please.
Okay, I'll read it. What's the greenhouse effect? The greenhouse effect is. When do I start reading it?
All of the, like this one,
No,
and this
from
one.
solar radiation.
Yes.
Okay then. Solar radiation passes through the clear atmosphere and then most radiation is absorbed by the Earth's surface and warms it. And after that, some solar radiation, or by any chance, some solar radiation is reflected by the Earth and not in the atmosphere. And so, some, oh my god, I don't know what to do. And as I see from the arrow, the radiation is emitted from the Earth's surface, and after that, some radiation. I don't know. Wait, is that T?
Yes. Continue. It's okay.
Some of the infrared radiation passes through the atmosphere, and some is absorbed and re-emitted in all directions by the greenhouse gas molecules. And then the effect of this is to warm the Earth's surface and the lower atmosphere. Yeah, I think that's all.
Thank you so much. So this mechanism, you all have to understand the mechanism of global warming with greenhouse effect. Yeah. Thank you so much, Alisa.
No problem.
For helping me to read the text and also for helping your friends to understand this mechanism, the mechanism of greenhouse effect. And also we have discussed about greenhouse gases. Yeah, you have to know what are the greenhouse gases, and then the positive effect and also negative effect of greenhouse effect. Yeah, even though some people say that greenhouse effect is so bad to our daily life. Not only bad, but if the greenhouse effect in what is that, inappropriate, in optimal composition, or optimal condition, it make the earth still warm. If there is no greenhouse effect in the earth, on the earth, so the earth would be as Mars, so cold, you know. It's so dangerous for our life because human cannot, what is that, cannot live in cold condition. Yeah, so it's so dangerous. It make maybe our blood becoming frozen, becoming frozen. like that. And then, and also, what can we do to prevent global warming? Actually, if we want to prevent our life from global warming, we just reduce the greenhouse gases production. Most of the greenhouse gases produced by the machine or because of using fuel that produce carbon dioxide. There are some alternative using energy without produce so many or so much carbon dioxide. And then this is the Earth's atmospheric gases. Yeah. Now this one. Yeah. This is a comparison between the Earth, our Earth, and greenhouse. You know, greenhouse maybe for plantation, ya, untuk tanaman, ya. Ya, ini sebenarnya adalah greenhouse effect. Okay. The sun, the solar or the sun, the solar radiation, the radiation like this comes to the earth. Some of solar radiation absorbed by the earth, but some reflected to the atmosphere. Yeah. If there are a lot of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, in our atmosphere, we pretend like this like a blanket. Ya, kalau kemudian di sini banyak gas efek rumah kaca, maka seperti ya seakan-akan the earth with blanket dengan selimut. So the hot condition cannot spread out, gak bisa keluar. The heat is trapped in our earth. Jadi heatnya itu, panasnya itu kemudian terperangkap di dalam bumi kita. That is the greenhouse effect. Like the greenhouse effect for plantation. Some of the solar radiation comes to this building, yeah, and then some absorbed, some reflected. But when reflected, it's too difficult to out from this building. Ya, ini menjadi sulit untuk keluar sehingga ini hangat sehingga tanamannya lebih cepat tumbuhnya, lebih optimal. Ya, can grow optimally. The plants grow optimally because of the condition, because of warm. Ya, and then the photosynthesis can be optimal. Ya, fotosintesisnya optimal. Yeah. But if the condition greenhouse effect too much, dose, ya, dosisnya terlalu tinggi, so many carbon dioxide, that is bad because the polar ice melting, yeah, it make extinction of animal. Jadi nanti ada yang punah, ya, ada yang punah hewannya, ya. Okay, I think enough my explanation to you, ya. Today we discussed global warming and then greenhouse effect and then cause of greenhouse of global warming, the positive effect of greenhouse, the negative effect of greenhouse. Yeah, actually, if we do anything in a balance, it make there is no global warming. Yeah, we still need energy, but we have to use energy wisely. Yeah, I think enough our lessons. And don't forget to watch the video and also the materials in virtual class. And also this video will be uploaded in YouTube, ya. Nanti tak upload di YouTube, nanti tak share lagi. So if you don't understand, you can watch the video. Thank you for your attention, and I'm so sorry if there are a lot of mistake. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.